Now, he is a different personality than you. I don't know him personally, but we've talked about it.
But he's also very funny. You know, he's portrayed as the more serious, but he's really got a great sense of humor.
When you guys work together, when you write together, is that a process that that reflects your different personalities in the sense that you fight a lot, or is it you know, do you get real passionate about, no, this should be the word, this should be the line, or is it you just sort of gel without any real personal conflict while you're writing?
No, I don't. No, we don't have any conflict. You know, I think there was a time at the end of the first incarnation of the Eagles, toward the end, where Don and I sort of hit the wall as a songwriting team, and it became, I think, increasingly difficult to write more good songs, because we had written some good songs, and I think we felt that pressure to always be better, and so towards the end we got a little bit stuck, but it was never, you know, we never had any like disagreements in songwriting sessions. You know, you usually just ask one question: is that good enough? Is this good enough? Is that the right line? Is that what we should say? Are we getting it? And Don's great because he will always try to fit more meaning into the songs. You know, if he thinks there's two lines somewhere that are just sort of in there to get to the next two lines, he'll be till the last minute be trying to figure out if we could somehow, but what if we said this? And so it's good to write with somebody like that. In fact, you know, if you're a songwriter and you're hunched over your guitar, you know, and you're stuck someplace, it's not too bad looking up and having Henley there, you know. With his,
yeah, you can do worse.
He's very literate, and he's a good guy to write with in that way. I was very happy when we wrote Get Over It. It was a song that we wrote totally straight. Not that we didn't have our moments of writing straight before, but you know, this was all part of this challenge of getting the band back together, and another part of that challenge was seeing if we could write again. And we worked on 3 or 4 songs together and managed to get Over It written, and started a couple others that may surface later. So that's a good thing. I like writing. Do you like that process for you?
Do I like the writing process? Or do you feel
like you have a term paper?
Well, who was it that said I hate writing, but I love having written? That's kind of how I feel about it. The actual process is not fun, but it's nice to have the thing.
You got to really want to.
Yeah. Well, you have to have a mortgage. That's my